Good morning. Today we will see the rest of provisions of MACT tribunal. Those who are concentrating in this field must go through all these judgments which I am going to read out to you. Uh, the basic thing is under this case, yes, Tangaraj vs National Insurance Company, 2018 to Supreme Court, 442. Therein they say multiple fracture and losing all sensation in both legs, held disability is complete. 79% is improper, and they say it should be given 100%. And thereafter the other discussion this. In case Ramla versus National Insurance Company, the court is empowered to pass more than the compensation prayed for, because there may not be any fresh cause of action and there may not be any direction to file fresh application. They can proceed further because it is tribunal, therefore that discussion was there. Then the future prospect has been discussed on various judgment. Then you see another case, ICICI Lambert General Insurance case was Ajay Kumar Mohanty. Therein they say instantly disability not permanent, likely to be improved. So they have enhanced the compensation. That was the case. Then future prospect of loss or loss of income due to permanent disability should be decided. In this case, Mangalaram versus Oriental Insurance Company. You see, medical treatment after accident was claimed, motorcycle repair was claimed, mental and physical problem was claimed, and loss of income due to permanent disability, that is 40%, and cost of prosthetic leg. These things have been added. Then contributive negligence. Contributive negligence means if the other side is also doing some wrong thing, that is called contributive negligence. That contributive negligence, there may be a reduction of compensation. But contributive negligence in criminal as a civil process is not applicable to children and aged persons and disabled persons. That should be kept on mind. They say the tribunal had taken notice of the fact that where the motorcycle was found was a scene, but actually the accident was somewhere else and the motorbike was thrown away. So they say there is no contributive negligence. So that is the case. That in that case, Mangalaram as Oriental Insurance Company, 2018-4, and 2018-4 to Supreme Court 525. Same thing was the other case also. It was discussed. In Jagdish versus Mohan, 2018 to Supreme Court 388, wherein the future prospects may not be calculated on permanent job alone. Self-employed individuals may also be considered for future prospect, loss on future prospect. So that was decided. Then in Manusamy versus Managing Director, Tamil Nadu State Trade Corporation, 2018-3, Supreme Court 449, wherein Unmarried person is also entitled for 40% towards future prospect. The another thing was in case Suresh Chandra Bagal Doshi and another New India Insurance Company 2018-4 Supreme Court 664, wherein the future perspective was taken consideration 100% increase. That is most important. Then another important thing. This is Vijay Kumar Rastogi versus Uttar Pradesh State Railway Transport Corporation 2018 3 Supreme Court 460. In this case, the Tribunal High Court under sections 166 by considering income tax return held that the taxable income was considered as income, but the Supreme Court has said no, it should be on the basis of annual income, it should not be taxable income. Therefore, the compensation was enhanced. Then another case, United Insurance Company versus Indra Devi 2018 Supreme Court, wherein the Supreme Court has said that the salary certificate shows 1 lakh and plus income, but income tax return showing 2 lakhs plus. But Supreme Court says the assessee may have other source of income. Therefore, the income should be calculated on the basis of income tax return. The other case wherein it was stated that Subhash Singh versus Shyam Singh 2018-3 Supreme Court 453. Herein they say the multiplier on the basis of age of parents of deceased should not be calculated. It should be calculated on the basis of deceased age. Then some fraudulent activities of the claimant by producing false evidence, but however they say the insurance company, though not liable, pay and recover, doctrine of pay and recover was followed. Then most important judgment was, this is most important judgment and nobody knows, God only knows whether it is being followed or not. Anant versus Pratap 2018-8 Supreme Court 638. Therein the Supreme Court has given lot of guidelines to follow. See, they have stated how to calculate the compensation. Annual income of appellant, loss of future income, multiplier applicable, loss of future earnings, and these things have been discussed deeply. Then finally, Dr. S. Rajasekaran vs. Union of India 2018-1 Supreme Court 44. Therein they have given lot of guidelines. Road safety policies, road safety council, lead agency, safety fund, safety action plan, then engineering improvement, traffic claiming measures, road safety audits, engineering design of new roads, driver training, work group on engineering, road safety equipment, emergency medical care, speed governance, more than 25 crash tests, more than 25 guidelines were given directing the state and central government to monitor the road accident and to keep the road intact so that the accident may not occur frequently. And they have also stated about the drunken driving also. Lot things have been GPS, data collection, etc. Best wishes.